That's not very good. There's currently no fish in here. Got one, got one.
Real.
Got.
Real. Get him in here. Real.
Help me.
Get in. Get him in here. Hurry, get him in here. Lift him up.
Got. I got my fish. Need tweezers? Tweezers?
No need tweezers. Okay. What do you think?
It looks good.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Hold them like you know how to. Hold them. Nope. You have to. If you're going to come fishing, nope. Other way. There we go. There. Right there. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hold them up a little. Uh-oh. I got to turn my camera around. Smile. Good. You want to see how much he weighs, or are we good?
I want to see how much he weighs.
He fought good, huh?
Yeah. That's my first fish of the day.
See, if you grip them right, their teeth don't get you.
Wait, do they have teeth?
Kind of. They have like little sandpaper. 14 ounces.
Yeah, it was fighting hard. Is that a tilapia?
No, that's a bass. Okay, grab them, put them in, put them back in the water. Watch your pole. Okay, now let's fix your bait.
Here, I'm gonna wash my hands.